So in today's class, we will be learning string in Python. So previously we have covered basics of string, and today we will be learning the deep uh, functions, indexing, and slicings. Okay. So suppose that if we have a string that is A B C D E F G H I. Okay. So this is our string, and if we want to get any element at a particular index, so what is index? So suppose that this A is at position 1, this is at position 2, this C is at position 3. Similarly, these are these characters are at any particular position. Okay, so if you want to get any element of string at any index, then we will do indexing in that case. Okay, so what is the rule of indexing? So suppose that we have a string, it's A B C D E F G H I. Okay, so we have two types of indexing. First is left to right, and then we have right to left indexing. Okay, so here it should be. So we have two types of indexing. First is left to right, and then we have right to left indexing. So left to right indexing tells that if you want to get any index, then you will go from left to right. So first index will be considered as 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, and similarly up to we have here 9 element, then we will go from 0 to 8. So this is left to right indexing. Okay, so if anybody asks you what is the index of f, then you will tell that index of f is 5. Is this clear, everyone? So yeah, if you want to answer, you can directly answer. There's no any issue. So if I ask you what is the index of d, then what will be the answer? Yeah, right. So uh, similarly, if we go from right to left indexing, then we will start from -1, then we will go from -1, then after -1, -2, then -3, then -4. Similarly, we have 9 elements here, then we will go from -1 to -9. So I ask you what is the index of E, then you will answer that the index of E is 4 or -5. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. Now we will see the example. So first we will see the example of left to right, left to right indexing dot py. So suppose that we have example string is equal to welcome. Okay. So if we will write example string of 0, then okay, I'm not printing it, so we need to print this. If I will write example string 0, then answer will be what? W. Similarly, for right to for left to right, this W is at position 0, this E is at position 1. Similarly, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I write print example string 4, then what will be the answer? Can anybody guess? O. Okay, so we have O as the answer. So this is the example of left to right indexing. Suppose that if you want to go from right to left, so I am giving you the example of right to left indexing. Right to left indexing. Yeah. Suppose that again we have example string. Welcome. Okay. So if we go from right to left, then this E will be at -1, and then this O will be at -2. Okay. So this E will be at -1, and this, so I am commenting here. Okay. So this E will be at -2, then it will be at -3, -4, okay, and then -5, then -6, then we have -7. Okay. So this E will be at -1, this M will be at -2, O will be -3, C will be -4, L will be -5, E will be -6, and W will be -7. Okay. So suppose that if I write here print example string -4, then what will be the answer? At -4 we have what? C. So run this, it is giving us C. Similarly, if I write print example string -1, so this will give us the last element E. So if anybody asks you to give me the last element of any string, then you can just write -1. Okay, so here you will get E. Suppose that if I ask you print example string -7, so what will be answer? Can anybody tell? W. So run this, so you will get. Okay. So now we'll move to slicing. Slicing is basically getting the subset of string. So suppose that if you want to get the subset of this string or any string, then we can use slicing here. Okay, so suppose that if in our program we want to get this B, C, D, so we can get this by slicing. So how slicing works? So suppose that, so this is the syntax of slicing. So for slicing, first we need to pass the start index, and then we need to pass the stop index, and there will be a colon between these. Okay, so this will return values from start and up to stop -1. Okay, so it is telling us we will get the value from start to stop -1. Suppose that we have a string, example string ABCDEFGHI. So if we write here example string 1 to 5, then here the value of start is what? 1, and the value of stop is what? 5. So we will get the value from 1 to stop -1, means 1 to 4. So we will get BCDE. So you can see that at the 1 index we have B, okay, and then up to 4, then B, C, D, and E. So B, C, D, E. You can see here. So this is our string A B C D E F G H I, and if we write here example string 1 to 5, then first we will get B, then C, then D, then E. Okay, and we will not get this 4, 5, 5, 6, 7 element. Okay, so what we will get from start to stop minus 1. So start, the value of start is 1 and stop value is 5. Then we will have the value from 1 to 4. So you can see here that we are getting value from 1 to 4. So we will get B, C, D, E. We will see the example. So I am writing here slicing example.py. Suppose that if we have a example string is equal to welcome. Okay. So suppose that if we want to get the value from, suppose that I am writing like this example string 1 to 4. So we will get the value from 1 to 4 minus 1 means 1 to 3. So at one index we have E, then this is at second index, and then it is at third index. Then we will get here ELC. Okay. So if you run this code, you will get ELC. Similarly, if you write here print example string 2 to 5. Now what we will get? Can anyone guess? At the 2 position we have this is at 0, then this is at 1, and this is at 2. So we'll get value from 2 to 4. So 2, 3, 4. Then we will get LCO. So run this program, we'll get LCO. So that if we write here example string 1 to, sorry, 3 to 4. Can anybody answer this? Please try to answer. In this case, we will start from 3, and yeah, so we will start from 3 and we will go up to 4 minus 1 means 3. So we will start from 3 and we will end into 3. So only we will get the value at 3 positions. So what is the value? This is 0, 1, 2, and this is 3. So we'll get the result C. So it is printing C. Okay, now we will see that from right to left indexing. Okay, so suppose that if we write like this, example string -5 to -2, then you can see that this is at -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So we will get the value from -5 to what? -2 -1. So sorry, -2 plus 1. So okay, so -2 -1. Every time you will decrease by 1. So stop -1. So we have value -2. Then we will go up to -2 -1. So at -3. So -5 is this D. Okay, so we will get the value -5, then -4, and then -3. So we'll get D, E, F. Okay, so I think this is at -5. So we'll get -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Yeah, this is at -5. Then we'll get value E, F, G. Okay, so how this will work? You can see that this we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is at -1, this is -2, -3, -4, -5. So we have written -5 to -2. So -5 is this position. So E will get, and we will go from up to 2 minus 1, so minus 3. So we will go up to 3. So minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3. So we will get the result EFG. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. So I'm giving you the example of it. So suppose that right to left slicing. Okay. So suppose that we have example string is equal to read my codes. So if we slice like this, print example string minus 3 to minus sorry minus 6 to minus 3. Okay, so here the value of start is what? The value of start is minus 6 and the value of stop is what? This is minus 3. So we'll get the value from minus 6 to what? Minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so we'll get value from minus 3 to minus 6 to minus 3 minus 1, that is equivalent of minus 4. So we'll get value from minus 6 to minus 4. So if we copy this example string, okay, so now you can see here that this is minus 1, okay, now minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. Okay, so we have this minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So we'll get the value from minus 6 to minus 4. So the value at minus 6 is what? C, and the value at minus 4 U. So we'll get the value from, so we'll get value COU. So if we print, we'll get COU. Okay, so we'll get value COU. So similarly, if we write like this, print example string minus 5 to minus 5 to minus 1, sorry, minus 1. Can anybody give the answer? What? Okay, so we will get O2 from O to S. Okay, this is correct because we will get from minus 5 to minus 2. So at the position minus 5 we have O, and the position minus 2 we have S. Then so that's why we'll get from O to S. So the result will be OURS, hours. Is this clear, everyone? Suppose that if we have example string A B C D E F G H I again, okay, and if we write like this, string name and then start, and we do not pass the parameter of stop. Okay, so here we are not passing the parameter of stop, so this will return the value from start index and up to end. So suppose that if you not pass the parameter stop, then it will consider up to end. Okay, so suppose that if we write example string 2 to and we are not passing here the stop parameter, so it will consider up to end. So we are starting from two index, so 0 1 and 2. Two index is C, so we will have the sliced result that will start from C and it will end up to up, it will finish up to end. So here we have C D E F G H I. Similarly, if we do not pass the parameter of start, so we'll return the value from 0 index and up to stop minus 1. So if you are not passing the parameter of start, then it will consider from starting. So if we write here example string and up to minus 2. So what is the position of minus 2? So minus 1, minus 2. Okay. So we will get the value up to what? Minus 3. So we'll get the value A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we'll get the value A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If you have any doubt in this, you can. Okay, so we are moving to the example. Suppose that we have a string. Example string is equal to read my codes. Okay, and if we write here print example string and then 2 we are not passing the stop parameter, so this the result will start from 2. So in the position 2 we have A, so 0 1 and then 2. So we have A at the position 2, so we will get the value from A to end. So we will get will be equivalent of A to this. Okay, so I am running this program. You can see here AD my course. Similarly, if we write here print example string minus 4 to end. So what is the value at minus 4 position? So minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So at the minus 4 we have U. So we'll have the result URSE. Okay, so if you run this program, you will get URSE. Okay, is this clear, everyone? So suppose that if I ask you print example string, what will be the output? Sorry, what will be the output? Yeah. So if you want to get the last element, you can write like this. So it will give you the last element. Okay, so we have now write stop. Okay, so we will not pass the stop parameter. So we will consider this. Suppose that if we are writing print example string and we are not passing the start parameter and we are going up to 4. So here the start value will be default 0 and the stop value is what? Stop value is 4. So we'll get the value from 0 to 4 minus 1 3. We'll get the value 0 to 3. So what is the value from 0 to 3? So REA. So we'll get REA. Sorry. We have D also. So 0 1 2 3. So we'll get READ, read. Is this clear, everyone? Similarly, if we write like this, example string minus 5. So can you guess the answer? From start to, means from 0 to minus 5. So what is the value at minus 5? This is at minus 1, this is at minus 2, this is at minus 3, this is at minus 4, this is at minus 5. So we'll get value up to minus 6. So this is at minus 6, this is, so we'll get value READMYC. So we'll get value from here to here. Okay, so if you run this, you will get READMYC. If I ask you print example string, if I ask you print example string minus 2, can anybody answer? Can anybody answer this? From first element to R, this, because we are passing here minus 2, then we will start from 0 to minus 3. So 0 to minus 3. Okay, so here we have minus this minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so we'll start from R and we'll end up to this. Not, yeah. So you can see here that READMYCOUR. Okay, so we are getting the result this. So now this has been finished. So now next is, suppose that if we are not passing any parameter, neither we are passing here start and neither we are passing here uh, stop. So the result will be the same string. So you are telling that start from 0 and go up to end. So it will be equivalent as same string. So if you write here example string and then you are not passing here the value of start and stop. So it will give you the value A B C D E F G H I. Okay, so suppose that if I am writing here print example string, now run this program, you will get read my course. So now we will be moving to the advanced slicing part. Okay, so this is called as stepping, setting the interval at which elements are included in the slice. Okay, so stepping is what? If you want to now default we are getting the value. Suppose that if we are writing 0 to 4, then we are getting every element between 0 to 3. So but if we want to skip, if you want to get only alternate element, then what we will do in that case? Suppose that if we have the example string A B C D E F G H I, and if we are writing like this, so we are not passing the start parameter and the stop parameter. So it will, so this is the step value. So it is telling that take the element only after the position, means only after every second element. So first if we start from this, so the second element is C. Again, the second element is E. Again, the second element is G. And the next again second element is I. So if we write like this example string, then and step size we are passing here 2, then we will get the result ACGI. Okay. So here you can see that. So suppose that this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. So suppose that if we are passing start and stop value nothing. So we will start from 0 to end. So here we are setting the values to. So first we will take this value and we will skip this, and we will take this value, skip this, take this value, skip this, take this value, skip this, take this value, take this value. So the result will be ACGI. Again, so if you pass the start element, then suppose that here we are passing the start element as 1, then we will count from here. So first element is B, okay, and then we will skip this, and then we will get D, then we will skip this, then we will get F, then we will skip this, then we will get H. Okay, so the value in this case will be, okay, this is incorrect. So this is incorrect. The value in this case will be B, D, E, F, H. Okay. So suppose that I want to give you the example of this stepping. Suppose that if we have example string equal to read my, okay. So suppose that we are not writing here. So first I am A, and then small b, then capital C, then small d, then capital E, then small e. Okay. So if we write here example string, then we are not passing the value of start and stop, and we are writing the take the step size as G2. Okay, and I am printing this. So you will get value ACE. So here we are getting first element, then C, then E. Similarly, if we write here print example string, then we are passing the value as 1, and then start element we are passing here 1, and the stop element we are passing nothing, and step size we are passing 2. Then it will start from B, and it will tell that skip this C, and then take this D, then skip this E, and take this small e. So if you run this program, you will get BDE.